Alright, what's going on, guys? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and we are currently in beautiful downtown Calgary, Alberta, and we will be shooting an outdoor unboxing and first impressions of the brand new M4 iPad Pro that we have right over here. So is it worth $13.99? We're gonna find out, so stay tuned. Alright, so the particular variation that I got is the 256 gigabytes, which is the base storage iPad Pro 11-inch M4 with Wi-Fi. So this year Apple is calling their darker color Space Black, which is the color that I got. And you guys might have seen a lot on social media about this thing called the nano texture display, like the OLED display and so forth. Now that is only available on the 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte models. So if you guys would like to see a video on those specific models, make sure to smash that like button and comment down below. But without any further ado, we're gonna see what the unboxing experience is. We're gonna see what the color looks like and just kind of first impressions and see what's going on with the iPad Pro. So here it is right over here. We got the usual green pull tabs. So we're gonna pull that one, set that right there, and then pull the other one just like so. And there you go. iPad Pro unboxing. This is the first ever M4 iPad, M4 product that Apple has released. So there it is. We're gonna set that just like so. Here is the iPad itself. Really thin. Now, believe it or not, this is the thinnest ever Apple device Apple has created. So it's pretty impressive, and straight out of the box, you could really feel how thin it is. So we're just gonna set that aside, put these right in here, that way the wind does not blow it. We have the Designed by Apple in California pamphlet, and then we have the USB-C cable, which is actually in Space Black, which is amazing. So Apple has finally responded. And then we have the USB-C power adapter. Now, one thing you guys will notice is that Apple did not include any Apple stickers in this year's iPad unboxings. As you guys can see, there are no Apple stickers, and for all of their future Apple products, Apple devices, they will not have any Apple stickers. So if you follow me on Instagram at TechRificItIs, if you don't follow me, make sure to go follow me. You guys will have seen that I posted a reel about it. So the reason why they removed Apple stickers is because of the fact that they're trying to go carbon neutral by 2030 to preserve the environment. So we're just gonna set that all back in here and get to the goodie of the video, which is the iPad Pro itself. Gonna unbox that right over here. The wind is going crazy, so I'll just set that right in there snugly so it doesn't blow away. And here is the iPad. So as you guys can see, this is the M4 iPad Pro in the Space Black color. It is so thin that I could literally hold it with my pinky and my ring finger, just like so. So to power it on, we're gonna click that side button right over here. And there you go. It turns on just like so. So one thing that you are going to notice, unlike iPhones, you use them vertically. The iPads this year, or at least the iPad Pro, is going to be used horizontally because it's just 11 inches. It's pretty big. And right here we have the startup screen of the iPad. So we're gonna swipe through that and go through the quick setup process. And as you guys can see, it is pretty quick. You got that ProMotion technology. Now we are out in the middle of nowhere, so we are going to turn on a personal hotspot just to move forward with the Wi-Fi network. So we just got the personal hotspot set up. It may take a few minutes to activate the iPad. There we go. We are not going to update it over mobile network because that is going to take forever. Now, as you guys can see, we do have Face ID. So we're just gonna get started with that and turn our face all around just like so. First Face ID scan complete. This is actually my first ever Face ID setup scan that I have done outside. So it looks like it is completed all nice and easy. So there we go. iPad passcode is in. And here we are with the iPad itself. Now, as you guys can see, it has that really smooth Pro Motion technology, which is absolutely a pleasure to use. And in direct sunlight, as you guys can see, fully maxed out. It looks absolutely amazing. So you could be reassured that if you're outside, maybe you're outside of a college campus and you're doing some homework, some studying, maybe catching a Zoom call, the screen will not disappoint. The battery life is super good. It is a very thin device, easy to port around. The camera looks pretty nice. So here's a photo that we're gonna snap. It looks just like this. Video recording in 4K 60 looks pretty smooth, and you have the different lens options, as you guys can see. And this is a microphone coming from the iPad rear camera, so let me know how it sounds with the wind. Here we are on HD60. On the front camera, microphone is coming from the M4 iPad Pro, so let me know how it looks. I think the color separation between me and the clouds and the sky looks pretty good, and so does the trees in the back. It's getting all the details. For a front camera on an iPad, it looks pretty good. Alright, and we just finished setting up the iPad. So I'm not sure how good that quality was because there was wind, we were outside and all of that in different camera angles. But overall, the iPad Pro is such a speedy device. So I got through the setup process a lot quicker than when I'm at home using another Apple device connected to my home Wi-Fi. So we're on a hotspot and it still is going very quickly, quicker than I am used to. So I am pretty impressed. I'm not sure if that's attributed to the fact that it does have that new M4 chip, but overall, here we are. Welcome to iPad. So overall, I think that if you're in the market for a really powerful device that you could pair up with the brand new Magic Keyboard that Apple released on May 2nd that came out with these products, and maybe you're a student or somebody that's constantly on the go and doesn't need that whole macOS ecosystem and Mac real estate, the iPad Pro M4 could be a great choice for you. It does have that hefty price point of $13.99, but it does also have that new M4 chip, which in all honesty is really worth it. You could do some intense video editing in Final Cut Pro. You could do some photo editing in Lightroom. So if you guys would like to see a day in my life using the iPad Pro as my main work hub instead of my MacBook, make sure to smash this like button, show this video some love, comment down below, and subscribe with notifications on. So that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the beautiful M4 iPad Pro. I really like it. It looks amazing, and we're gonna go check out if the iPad Air is really worth it. So stay tuned for the unboxing and first impressions. It may be already up on the channel, but if it isn't, DM me on Instagram because I respond. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for following this video, and if you guys would like to see some more outdoor videos, unboxings in different cities, in Calgary, Vancouver, wherever it is, let me know because summer is out, which means that the camera's out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.